how to turn on your notifications on BeReal. For that purpose, head over to your BeReal app, and then from there, you're gonna head on to the top right hand section, which is your profile. In your profile, you're gonna click on these three buttons right here, and you're gonna head to the settings area where you're gonna click on notifications. Here, you can choose to see and control which of your notifications you want to receive. You can either turn off comments, you can either turn off friend requests and real emojis, or late BeReal are even mentioned in tags. But for this purpose, we want to turn on all the notifications, so you're going to make sure that you turn all of them on, and you just simply save that setting up. One another way for you to turn on the notifications outside the app is to simply click onto the app information on your mobile devices and search for the permissions that you have allowed for this app. So the notifications from here, I could simply choose to close or not allow the notifications here, or I can just simply allow the notifications right here. So this is how you can work your way around with how you want the notifications to be presented on BeReal.